So I haven't found any good tutorials online from the BikeErg replacing the pedals. I bought these clips online. Gotta say, I don't really care for them, but they're decent. They're okay if you want shoes and everything. But I use these with my mountain bike and I like them. And then I bought these Shimano flat side and a clip side. So they're dual sided from REI. They were about 80 bucks. So I'm gonna replace them because I don't know. I think it's time to do some better things in the BikeErg. I've set some pretty decent times on Concept 2 logbook, but I think it's time to do a little bit better. The right pedal was the one you had to actually thread through or actually turn on. This one came pre-installed, this one did not. So I know online a lot of people complained about how this one was so tight to get on because of the Loctite. And what I had recommended to some people was take the Allen wrench that they had recommended and actually grab like a pipe and tighten it. So in this case, it would be righty tighty, lefty loosey. So in that case, if you want to use the Allen wrench, but you also have the option to use a 15 millimeter. So in this case, we're going to loosen it up. I already had it pre-loosened, so it's not that easy actually. Usually it's kind of it's pretty tight. So we're going left here, lefty loosey on this one. And this is the right pedal. All right, so the right pedal's off with a left twist with the 15 millimeter. By the way, if you want a good set, go with Gear Wrench on Amazon. They have a whole kit for about 300 bucks. Phenomenal, Gear Wrench. So the left pedal, really? So this is going to be not lefty loosey. This is going to be right. And the other one's easier because I already had that one pre-loosened. You can see this one, it's got the Loctite on it. So it's a little tougher. Yeah, this is fun. Well, you get the point. I'm going to get that in a sec, but. So what's nice about these Shimano, or any of them, common sense tells us it has an R on it, that's right, so yeah. So that wasn't too bad actually, that was pretty easy. So that's the right pedal. So let's deal with the left pedal. Wow, really? In this case, I wish I had a pipe like this that actually fit over this so I could use leverage, but I don't. So that's food for thought. That'd be a good idea because these are pretty tight. But just make sure you have a glove on or something because this hurts your hand. And just kind of hold the pedal flat with your other hand. And you're just twisting it out. So it wasn't too bad. It's just the blue Loctite you can see on there. And that's what you're fighting against, essentially. So, also, you're going to get a bunch of grease on you and stuff. So, you know, grab a rag when you're doing this because it's kind of, yeah. So it's kind of greasy, but anyway. So we'll put the left pedal on. It's got L on it. All right. Well, should be that simple then. So I guess we're gonna go from the, I don't know, the champion slippers. I don't know, I mean, that may or may not do it, but, you know, maybe we should strap up for war here. Because I actually have to bike a 20K tomorrow. So we'll see. Yeah, try with socks too, right? I don't like it. I'm gonna need to adjust them a bit, but yeah, I like it. I mean, shoes or slippers? You tell me. I mean, slippers ain't too bad either. I think I like it. I think those pedals are a win. I like it.